I drew a birthday gift in less than 1 hour to my friend. This is a collab and he did the sketch and I'm going to do all the rest. You can think of shadows, light, gradient, reflection, all of it. I'm going to do all of it in 1 single hour. Let's get into it because time is ticking right now. Okay, I can see here that he divided all the references necessary for this project to work. This is already amazing. We can do a lot with that and save our time the best as we can because this is going to be insane. I have never done my entire life 1 hour of full artwork. Let's go. We have enough reference. We understand what we want. So let's get into that right now because time is ticking. Let's go. First thing that I'm going to do is to lay down all the base colors, basic shadow, basic light, everything together. I don't care if it's blurry. We gotta get the perfect base so we can start modeling it little by little and get as fast as possible because this is its birthday and this is already night. It's night. Do you see? It's night. Then we gotta go fast, okay? Okay, we have added a great base and right now we are going to already add a base on light and shadows using lasso tool the fastest possible just to make sure that we get already the perfect places. Think of placements. Don't try to get on details, forget details. Right now it's the time to focus on, that's right, getting things on the right place. Let's do it. We can do it. 1 hour. Okay guys, we are already 20 minutes in, I don't know how much, around 20, and I have noticed that I started adding more shadows, more light into the brush, smaller brush, we are adding more details, and I noticed already 20 minutes, can we do it in 1 hour? Damn, it's going to be a tough one, doing all of this in 1 hour. I just know that my friend is a true fan of Dragon Ball, and I'm going to do this with the power of becoming Super Saiyajin, and doing this all in 1 hour by becoming one! Let's do it! It's going to happen. So right now what I was doing is pretty much adding color dodge, screen, just adding shadows on the opposite side and thinking, how I can balance? Always thinking one side is going to be brighter, other side is going to be darker. One side is going to be brighter, other side is going to be darker. And always thinking also, hey, is this thing that is happening here right now, according to the writer anatomy, is this the right colors? Is this the right thing that is happening? I'm not focusing too much, oh, I got this little finger wrong. We gotta focus on what truly matters, and that's what I believe that can help you to improve your speed even more. We tend to think too much of small details or judge ourselves too much. Oh, this is bad. No, stop judging, work more, just shut up the brain, and if the brain doesn't shut up, you just start replying to your brain with monkey thinking. What is monkey thinking? Heck yeah, I don't care, I don't know, ooh, banana, ooh. Okay, I was drawing very focused for this 1 hour and then a cat appeared, a lady with a cat and cat appeared, and I'm trying to focus, guys. This is a very serious 1 hour thing, okay? Very serious 1 hour. And then this cat, the kid appeared so fat, so cute. Look at this. I focus, of course, we gotta focus. Not only that, I'm trying to do some hatching and some texture right now to be sure that I'm able to make the details fast, even though they are not going to be rendered because it's impossible to do that, render it. But we are going to do it great and look amazing, okay? Let's go! Okay, I want it so badly to work even more, and my mind is telling me, no, this is wrong, you gotta render more, you gotta do more, and you gotta do this other stuff and this other one. But the time limit was 1 hour, and we did everything that we could right now in 1 hour. I truly hope that Guga will like it. I'm right now in my mind just going like, there's this sketch line and there's this other sketch line. Okay, notice that I had 15 minutes because I thought it was 1 hour, but it wasn't. So now this is the final version. Let's see what is going to be his reaction. Well, he's going to say if he liked it, enjoy it or not. He's going to say if it looks good or not. Let's see. You champs are seeing right now me drawing a Goku fan art, anime fan art, and I'm a furry artist. And you may ask yourself, how the freak do you do this? Such a different art style. How are you able to observe what is necessary to copy and what is not necessary? Years of practice summing up, but to help you, I'm going to give a different answer. The best thing that you can do possible to improve your art even more and faster, no matter what is the art style that you're working with, it's about observing what is the main feature of it. Skin that has no details, like this case, a lot of reflection, or face very squished, the type of Dragon Ball face, hair, triangular hair. Try to focus on the main things. Imagine that you lost your vision a little bit and you see everything blurred. Try to get the main features of that specific art style. Observation and trying to apply into your artwork and doing trials again and again and again is going to help you to improve even faster. So champs, tell me in the comments what you thought about this type of video. It was really something that my adrenaline was like 100 right now, because I was like, I gotta do a great gift for Guga. It cannot look ugly. And by the way, guys, Guga is the one that posts my artwork on social medias and take care of my organic marketing. The heck yeah, he's important. He's lovable. Everyone's in love to Guga. Hope he enjoys the artwork. Let's see what he's going to comment in this video. Shall we see that? Well, champs, I love you all. Thank you very much. And if you want to learn art with me, we have my all-in pack. Link in the description down below. Seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye. Woo!